Hi, today we're going to be going over our Module 6, Lesson 1 problem set. I'm going to read the questions and work them so that you can use this to check your answers from yesterday's problem set. Number 1 says circle groups of 2 apples. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to count 1, 2. Okay, 1 group. 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. There are blank groups of 2 apples. I just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2 apples. Let's go ahead and look at number 2. It says circle groups of 3 balls. Now you'll notice the balls are different, but that's not very important. All we need to do is make groups of 3 balls. So 1, 2, 3. Oops. Made a mistake on that one. All right. 1 group. 2 groups. 3 groups. 4 groups. 5 groups. There are 5 groups of 3 balls, and we know that because we can count our groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's look at number 3. Number 3 says draw 12 oranges into 4 equal groups. So the best way for me to do this is to draw an orange in each group and cross it out as I go until I use all the oranges. So let's go ahead and do it that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1 in each group, but I still have oranges left over, so I want to start over again with the first group. And I'm going to keep on crossing out until I run out of oranges. Okay, now that I've used all my oranges, I want to look at my answer statement. It says 4 groups of blank oranges. So I want to figure out how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3. 4 groups of 3 oranges. All right, let's go ahead and move on to problem 4. It says redraw the 12 oranges into 3 equal groups. Okay, so it's going to be very similar to what I did for number 3, except this time I don't have a picture to cross off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count to 12 and I'm going to add an orange in each group until I get to 12. So go ahead and count with me if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. Give yourself a pat on the back if you've gotten 100 so far. Let's go ahead and move on to problem 5. Problem 5 says to redraw the flowers to make each of the three groups have an equal number. So my first step in doing this is trying to figure out what my total is. So I want to count all my flowers so I know how many I have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know that I have 9 flowers total, so I'm actually going to do what I did with my problem number 4 where I counted and kept on adding until I got to 9. So go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you could have done it another way, like we did it the first time with the oranges, where you put a dot and then you crossed out each flower until you had none left. I thought it was easier to do it this way. So now I want to answer my answer statement. 3 groups of blank flowers equals blank flowers. So 3 groups, and in each group I have 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups of 3 flowers equals blank flowers. I know that this is going to tell me my total, and I know that my total is 9. We're on to our last question. Give yourself a pat on the back if you've gotten 100 so far. Number 6 says, redraw the lemons to make 2 equal size groups. Now my first step again is to figure out how many groups I have, or how many lemons I have total. Right now I have 5 groups, and I know that there's 4 lemons in each group. If you know multiplication, you can do this super fast. I want to count them just to double check. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 lemons total. Again, I want to do the same thing that I did before. I want to keep on putting dots in my groups until I get to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so now I have 2 groups of blank lemons. So let's find out how many I have in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 2 groups of 10 lemons, and that equals my total of 20 lemons. Now, a quick way for you to have done this is if you know that you have a total of 20 and that you need to split it into 2 equal groups, remember that 20 is a double. So 10 plus 10 equals 20, which means you can do 2 groups of 10 to get there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting videos every day for your problem sets so that we can make sure that we're making hundreds and still learning even though we're not in class.